Hi guys, and welcome to another video for Italian for Americans. Today I want to help you to get down the basics that you will need to then start applying the natural method. If you don't know about the best strategy to apply to learn Italian, don't worry, because I will tell you more after seeing together these 8 Italian phrases for beginners. So let's start right away with the first one, which is ciao. This is the most common way to greet someone, and it's mostly used with friends or people you know. For people that you don't know, it's better to use the next ones, which are buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, and buonasera, which mean good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, and buonasera. These are best used with people that you don't know, or in public places, with the doctor, etc. Then there is come stai and come sta, which means how are you? And it's one of the most used phrases in Italian. You use come stai when you talk with someone you know, and again, you use come sta with someone that you don't know very well. Then grazie mille, which is thanks a lot. Mi dispiace, I'm sorry. Amo l'Italia, I love Italy. Amo l'italiano, I love Italian. I love the Italian language. Sto imparando l'italiano, I'm learning Italian. So guys, these are 8 super beginner phrases. You can watch this video multiple times to get them fixed in your mind. Remember that the best way to learn Italian is to get exposure to comprehensible Italian input. And if you don't know what I mean by that, you can check out the video I made where I explain what I mean by comprehensible input. But before you can get the full benefits of that strategy, you need some basics. And that's why I'm making these quick videos to help you with the basic words and phrases. The faster you get familiar with the basics, the faster you can get to the real learning process directly through the Italian language. So I can't wait to help you more on your journey, and don't forget to download the gift in the description. I'll see you in the next video, and let me know in the comments which were the new words for you today.